What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Catloco. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Catloco. Still a little sick, but I wanted to show you what I'm doing today. Starting to tear down my engine, my 6.0, and then my 5.3 back there. So in 2019, the channel has grown tremendously. We've gotten over 2,500 subscribers this year. I showed you how to pull the 5.3, the 6.0 in the junkyard. We did the HP bench harness for your LS swap if you need to flash your PCM. So it's been a big year. 2020 is going to be even bigger. So now I showed you how to do the harness. I showed you how to pull engines. I showed you how to flash it, how to find parts. Starting in this year, next year, we're doing a dual LS swap. We're doing the 6.0 right here, and then the 5.3. So what's going on with the 6.0? This is going in the 7.7 two-door Caprice Aero Coupe. This one's going to be a complete rebuild. Basically, we're getting a muscle car oil pan. Already got that. Taking it apart, taking out the crank, check the bearings, taking out the pistons. I'm going to hone the cylinders, LS7 lifters and trays. We're going to do the heads, new springs, new seals, training kit upgrades, new spark plugs, sloppy stage 2 cam, and a few more other things. So there's basically going to be a whole new engine when we're done with it. Clean it up, paint it, the whole nine. I do have the old studs, or the old bolts. I think we are going studs on both of these. Just because I've never done them, I want to try it out. So we're going to do head studs instead of bolts. My 5.3, that 86 Caprice 4-door I picked up, that's going in there. It may be a turbo build. But anyway, on this one, muscle car oil pan, taking out the pistons and the rings, honing the cylinders, doing the head, same thing. On this one, we're doing pack 12 18s springs. This is getting the pack 12 19s because we're going sloppy stage 2, Elgin, the 40Ps, and that's going to be a 39P at the Elgin cam. Sloppy stage 2. Training kit upgrade. This one may be getting new rods too. I'm not sure which one I'm gonna do. So yeah, I mean, both engines are getting rebuilt basically. I originally planned on doing a budget swap, but I mean, if you do it, you must do it right. Take it all apart, clean it up, get it done right, torque it down right. So that's the plan. New springs, cam, training kits, piston rings, hone the cylinders, paint it, soup it up basically. New lifters and trays. It's gonna be a nice build. So like I said, next year, dual LS swap. I'm doing both at the same time because it just makes sense. You already have the torque settings in your head, the torque order. Let's do both at the same time. So most of 2019, that was what I was doing. I was collecting parts for both cars and buying the swap parts. So basically, I already have all the parts that I just listed for both engines for next year. So basically, I'm gonna do it sort of step by step, just because there's so many videos on people doing the tear down, the cleanup. I'll show you like little tips and tricks while I do it. But you know me, I'm detailed anyway, so it'll probably end up being a step-by-step. So, yeah, man, I'm excited to go ahead and do it. So as you can see, I started taking off the heads. I didn't want to get too far ahead, just because I was sick. I'm still trying to get my voice back, getting over the flu. I wanted to just give you a brief intro on what we're going to do, the plans for 2020, the plans for my 2 caprices. We're going to knock out both caprices, and it may be the Cutlass, or maybe my 69 Chevelle after those. Just got to see how the channel's going. But anyway, quick brief intro. 2020 gonna be big. Do a lot of swap. As always, remember to like, comment, definitely subscribe, share if you want. Peace.